Poultry farming in Nepal. Poultry farming is one of the most important agricultural activities in Nepal, playing a crucial role in food production, income generation, and employment. Poultry farming refers to the raising of domesticated birds like chickens, ducks, and turkeys for eggs, meat, or both. In Nepal, poultry farming is mainly focused on chicken production for eggs and meat. Types of poultry farming in Nepal. Broiler farming focuses on raising chickens for meat. Broiler chickens grow faster and are ready for market in 6 to 8 weeks. Popular breeds. Cobb 500. Layer farming focuses on egg production. These chickens start laying eggs at about 18 weeks and continue for 1 to 2 years. Popular breeds. Highline, ISA Brown. Backyard poultry farming. Small-scale farming for household consumption. Local breeds like Shikini and Dumps are common. Importance of poultry farming in Nepal. Economic contribution. Provides employment and contributes to national income. Nutritional value. Eggs and chicken meat are rich in protein, essential for growth. Waste management. Poultry droppings are excellent organic fertilizers. Low investment, high return. Suitable for both small-scale and commercial ventures. Hence, poultry farming is a profitable business in Nepal that can uplift rural livelihoods if done with proper care and planning. Want to know more about boosting poultry production? Stay tuned to Smart Science.